Backgammon, one of my favorite of board games. We often play with Gary.
How's it?
But I'm a sore loser. And sometimes we want more than just a bowl of nuts. It's our pizza, Classic Margherita. So I'm gonna make a cold tomato spicy salsa relish for our perfect go-to snack. Okay, you will need 3 tomatoes, but you're gonna have to peel them. It's very easy though. Using a sharp knife, score the bottom of each tomato. That's it. Do this with all of them. Then fill the bowl with boiling water to the top and leave them in the boiling water for 5 to 6 minutes. You'll see the skin will slowly elevate where you've scored. So, using your knife, slowly remove the skin. Carefully, you don't want to burn your hands. See how easy the skin just peels off. Well done. That's it. Dice into cubes and place into your blender. My blender is small, so I'm blending 2 at a time. If yours is bigger, you can put all 3 tomatoes in. Once you've blended the tomatoes, add the finely sliced onions. Next, add your red fresh chilies in oil, minced garlic, sugar, cumin, salt and pepper to taste, a handful of fresh parsley without the stalks, a drizzle of sunflower oil, and in the blender. Yep, as easy as that. We're not using any synthetic or preserved tomatoes. That is why the color isn't an intense red. Better this way and much healthier. This is heaven. Woohoo! Now, the tomatoes release quite a bit of liquid, which you don't really want as it will make your pizza slices really soggy. And the only thing that works soggy is a Malva pudding and your doggy's kisses. Yeah, here's my boy. So, pour salsa relish through a sieve, decant into a bowl, and you're done. Now the pizza. Now we need to top it up with some yellow cheddar cheese, which goes so well with the salsa relish. And in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. And once cooked, slice into 8. Bring your salsa relish. Add an extra drizzle of olive oil. Mix. And let's eat.
Gary, come brew. Brew, I'm hungry.
Warm pizza, cold salsa relish.
Ooh, this is really good.
This is so good. Now, back to the game. Yeah, have some more. Yeah.
Hey, you cheated. No ways, Brew. No, you cheated. You cheated. No, Brew, I didn't cheat. No, you cheated. No, you cheated. That was you. You cheated.
Told you I'm a sore loser.